What's up, YouTube? It's currently like 9:30 right now. We're gonna go to the park. First, I'm gonna have some breakfast, which I'm literally just gonna eat yogurt, Greek yogurt with some granola. And then we're gonna go to the park and we're gonna go walk. And I didn't post yesterday because I got a little too busy doing things, so I'm gonna post for you guys today, Sunday. I hope you guys are having a beautiful morning. It is Sunday, so hope you guys are enjoying y'all Sunday. But here is my yogurt. This is the Chobani yogurt, blueberry. I'm just gonna eat this and I'm gonna drink some water. I'm gonna eat my sandwich real quick. I made this at home. It's just whatever I ate yesterday.
And what about the Takis?
It's a salami sandwich with provolone cheese, baby spinach, and tomato.
What about the Takis?
And the duckies, yeah. We brought some bread for the little ducks that are out there. So Reality's gonna feed them. But first, I'm gonna eat 10 out of 10. Alright, you guys, I'm done eating my sandwich. It was so delicious, 10 out of 10. But Reality's gonna go feed the little duckies. So let's go ahead and go. It's so windy out here, y'all. Okay.